Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking iOS and storage so changes sync correctly. This avoids failed updates. Next, open Settings, tap Calendar, then Accounts to see linked calendars. If an account is missing, tap Add Account and choose the provider, enter credentials and enable calendars. You do this now because unresolved account access is the most common cause of missing events. Once added, make sure calendars toggles are on so items will appear in the app. Next, adjust sync depth and visibility to fix gaps. In Settings, right arrow Calendar, right arrow Sync, choose the appropriate range. All events if you need everything, because short ranges hide older items. Then open the Calendar app, tap Calendars, and toggle each calendar you want visible. Hiding a calendar removes its events from view. Finally, pull down in the Calendar app to force a refresh. This pushes the device to re-request data from servers and usually restores missing entries. To finish, remove and re-add any account that still shows errors. This resets permissions and often restores events. If syncing still stalls, reset network settings. This clears flaky connections, but you'll re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure to check iCloud.com or your provider's web calendar to confirm events exist server-side. If they do, resyncing will pull them back. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, sign out of iCloud, restart the iPhone, then sign back in to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.